What is up, everybody? Matt Quirk here with Quirked, digital marketing consulting agency. And yes, we are here to talk about how to change yourself as the commenter or post creator on your Facebook page. Now, recently on one of the YouTube videos we have here, we got a comment about how to do this. I thought, hell, I'll just put a quick video together because it's super simple. But if you don't know what to look for, then it is a little confusing. So, here we go. You might hear a cat in the background. Sorry about that. Don't know why this is taking forever to load. There we go. So here's a recent post. Here is, let's go ahead and comment on it, and you'll see that like I'm commenting as myself. But if you look up here, liking and commenting as Get Quirked, we want to change that. So it should default to your page, but if it doesn't and it defaults to you, which that would be my personal icon, then we just want to find the page, and then we can comment as the page. Once you do that, then the comment will show up. I'm not going to do that comment, but hey guys, what do you think about this? See, commenting as the page, not myself. See the difference? Awesome. Hey, if you like this video, please like, comment below, and please share it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. We would love for you to get all the updates from us here on YouTube. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks a lot, everybody, and we'll talk to you next time.